You see, I'm wearing a jacket and I'm wearing a scarf, but this is not a regular scarf. This is the famous scarf bag from AmphiBag. What does it mean, AmphiBag? Amphi means two in one. One thing has two uses, but the uses, you choose what you want to use. You want to use it as a scarf or you want to use it as a bag. So right now I'm using it as a scarf, as you can see, but when I take it off of myself and I open this and I can put things inside because there is an inside, and this is my favorite hat, and here you go, I put it inside. Here it is, my beautiful scarf bag, AmphiBag. There's another thing you can do with this. You can take the hat off, you can put it back, and then you can flip it on the other side. You can see we have a bag 100% looking like a bag, not looking like a scarf, if you know what I mean. And nobody knows I have a scarf near me, but whenever I don't need a bag, or I flip it again and I put it on myself and it's a scarf, and then I can style it. Another way is to take it like this. You can see it has ears. I can see you. So basically what I'm doing, I'm putting this through my neck, and now I am making something cute. And look at me, I have a different way of styling the scarf bag, the AmphiBag, and I'm ready.